Here we have verse 40 of the 24th chapter of the Gospel of Matthew. Jesus has been describing the coming of the Son of Man, the incident that's going to be taking place, as he makes clear, within that generation. And at this point he tends to be apparently highlighting the suddenness of it and the fact that it will represent a dramatic separation. And so we have this fairly well-known incident that's described by Jesus, then, tota, indeclinable adverb, duo. The number two, it's an adjective here used substantively, so two, people. Esontai, future of me, third person plural, so two will be. N preposition with the dative to agro, in the field. So the picture is two people working side by side in the field, and this sudden incident befalls them. Haste, this is number one, paralambanetai. Paralambanetai is the third person singular, present passive indicative, so it's one will be taken away. Passive, but it's a word that's somewhat benign in its meaning, to be taken away. Some would see this taken away in judgment. It's a possibility. The word doesn't really make it very clear, but the word doesn't have any sort of a connotation to it that would suggest something of that order, but one will be taken away. Kai, the other, haste, one, aphiate, from aphemi, to be left. This is a word that does have a little bit more subtly of a kind of negative sense, to be abandoned, to be forsaken. So one might be taken away. I think in the general drift of what Jesus has said about warning for people when they see certain signs to leave, to abandon the city, to leave it behind, that this is probably better construed as suggesting those who are taken away, or those who are leaving, taken away to avoid the judgment, and those who are left behind, it suggests again subtly, are left behind for judgment. But I don't think there's anything in the grammar of the text or the meaning of the words themselves that would necessarily force one view or another. It is the broader context that has to govern our view of this verse.